Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So currently I'm giving the interview for the data engineering. So in my recent interview, one question that I have faced in the Pyspark, they have given me one data set that is CSV data set for the employee. So in that data set, what they have asked, there is the employee ID, their name is their department ID and salary. So they asked me to write the PySpark code to find the top three highest paid employees in each department. So for every department, we have to find the top three highest salary. In the we need to write the PySpark code for that one. So they have given me the data set, this one, employee ID, name, department ID, and salary. So these are the employee ID, name, department ID and salary there. So we need to get the output like this. So we need to have the output department ID, employee ID, name, salary, and they wanted a extra column there, a rank column. So we can give the ranking like we have in the same department ID. If suppose the highest salary, then we have the second highest salary and third highest salary. Again for the or different department, we have the highest salary, second highest, and third highest. So, like for the highest salary, we give the rank one, then we have to two, three. So, we need to keep the ranking like this. Also, to solve this question, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the PySpark code in the Databricks. So, for this one, I'm using the Databricks Community Edition. So, I'm directly going to. So, I have already created the CSV file for this one. So where I'm going to just upload the file into Databricks, but I'm not going to create the table from there. So I'm going to create the data frame using this one. So let me open that the first Databricks Community Edition. So like question already that we have write a PySpark code to find the top three highest paid employees in each department, and this is the data set that we have. So just I'm opening the Databricks Community Edition. So what I'm going to do, so uh, we have to create a notebook for this one, and from there I'm going to write the code. But before that, what I'm going to do, we need to upload the CSV file to create the data frame by using that one. So I'm going to create on the catalog tab, and from there I'm going to click on the create table. So what I'm going to directly upload the file from here. So drop files to upload the browser. So I'm going to use this employees CSV data file. So from there I'm going to, so I have just uploaded this file and I'm not going to create the table from here directly. So just what I'm going to do, I just copy this file path, and from here what I'm going to write the, just I'm going to create the data frame using this file path. I'm going to create a new notebook here. So notebook, just I'm giving the name here first. We can give the name any like find top three highest paid employee. So we have created this notebook. So what I'm going to do here, so I'm going to create the data frame using this the CSV file that we have uploaded. So what I'm going to do first, let me increase the uh, visible size for this one to maybe good for this. Yes, okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the data frame. So I'm giving the name, the data frame as an employee, employee df equal to spark dot read dot format. So format what I'm going to use, we are going to use the CSV format, and From there we have the first row as a header, so dot option header is true. Then I'm going to again, because we have the different data types there, so what I'm going to do, I'm not going to create define our own schema, so I'm just inferring the schema here, dot option infer schema is again true. So I'm going to just use the next line for this one, because in one line maybe it's uh, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the again for this one a new line. So dot option true. Again, what I'm going to do, again a new line here, dot load. So we need to give the path where we have already copied the path for this one. So dot load file store employee CSV. So what we have created already this data frame. So I'm going to just run this. What I'm going to do, just I'm going to run this one. So already I think cluster is attached, yes. So it will automatically, yes, it will running. So our data frame is already created. So if you wanted to check what inside the data frame that we have created, so employee df dot show. So just I'm going to execute this line also. So now we are able to see what is inside that we have this data frame. So what we have already created this is in that one we have employee ID, name, department ID, and salary. So from here, what I'm going to write in our logic to get the top three highest paid employee in each department. So for that one, what approach that we can take? So we have this employee IDs there and department ID. So on the basis of this department ID, because we need to find the for every department the top three highest salary. So what I'm going to use the window function here to make the partition based on this department ID, and we need to sort the salary column that is in the descending order. So uh, because we need to get that one salary in the descending order, means the top highest salary is the first, then below the lower than that one. And for this one, what we need to do, we have to add an extra column here to give the rank also, because we have to use now if 1 2 3, if there is a second again when 1 2 3. So for this one, what I'm going to do, first I'm going to create a window, because we need to define the window there, no? So what I'm going to write the code for this one. uh, what can I do? So we have to define the window. Maybe we can, if I'm going to define the, because we have the input data, so input, if I'm giving any name, window value equal to what, we have to use this window dot partition. We just use the window function here, window dot partition by, on which basis we need to do the partition. We need to do the partition based on this department ID. So we need to create the partition based on the department ID, and dot order by, on which basis we need to order by this one on the based on salary, order by salary, on which in In which order? In the descending order. Dot desc. So we need to have the order by which, sorry, we need to mention the column also here, column salary. So we need to order by on the based on the column salary here. So we need to take the column as a column salary dot descending in the what we can do in the descending order. We need to sort this one. So we have created the input window value there. So window dot partition by based on this department ID, and we have to order by this one. We need to sort this one on the basis of salary in descending order. So after that, we need to have add there one extra column, that is the rank column there. So for this one we have already, so we need to execute this line. So maybe we will get error because of we need to import these things, window and column function. We need to import this one. So what I'm going to do here above this one, so I'm going to write the import statement from Pyspark dot SQL dot window. So which function we need to import? Import window function. So we need to import this one. Again in the second line, what I'm going to write from same Pyspark from Pyspark dot SQL dot functions. We need to which function? We have to define the call. We need to import the call for column function, and after that, the second one we have to the descending function. So what I'm going to run this one. Have that invalid from Pyspark.sql from Pyspark.sql. Sorry, the functions, not function. Functions. So now again invalid things from Pyspark.sql.functions. Sorry, import import. So again I'm going to run this line, second one. So now I think it will run. Okay. So we have created this window value there. So after creating this window value, so already we have created this employee df. So employee, so employee df equal to employee df, because we need to add this rank column there. So I'm going to use the with column dot with column. So we have used the with column here to add the rank column there. So we have to with column. So we give the name of this column as rank, and we have to, because their rank value, what we are going to do, we have to use the window function where it will not suppose if there is of same values there in that same we have the same department ID group is there. If you finding the same there's, so it will give, it will not going to skip. So we are going to use the dense rank function for that one. So on the basis of this dense rank there, what we have because we have created this rank, sorry, not this rank column, and for that rank column what we are getting the value, we are going to use the dense rank. dot over, on which basis the window value that we have created is input window, this one input window value. So I'm going to take this input window value, and here we have created this. So I'm going to execute this one. So sorry. So what I'm going to, because we are using the dense rank here, so we need to import this one again also here. So in the import statement, we have to import the dense rank also. So we need to run this one again. We need to second one. We need to execute this one. Now it will be executed. So we have added a new column there, uh, rank column. So if I'm going to check, so what we are, so employee df dot show. So what we have this rank function, and there is a 1, 2, 3 again for 101, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we have used the dense rank, because it will not going to skip the ranking for this one, again it will give the 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3 it will giving. So that's why we have used the dense rank. So we need to get the what just for till now what we have done, we have created the data frame. Inside the data frame we have added this rank column by using the window value that we have created, that is based on this partition that we have on the department ID, and we have used the order by to sort this one on the basis on the salary. So now what we are going to get, write the code to get the top three highest salary in each department. So we have already created this one, the employee data frame. So if I'm going to create a new like highest highest salary, just I'm giving name, you can take any name. df equal to, we have already the employee df. So what I'm going to do, employee df dot, I'm going to use the filter function here. So we need to filter the record there now, because already we have created this rank dot filter. So on the basis of this rank column, so we need to take the column, this one rank, and we need to top three highest salary. So that rank is less than or equal to 3, because we need to give the equal to. If you're taking only less than, so it will take only 2. So because we have to take the top 3, so less than or equal to 3 we need to take here. So what it will, because it will filter the record based on this rank. If the rank is 1, 2 and 3, so it will only return, it will, we doesn't want the rank 4, because it already have the, because only we need to top 3 highest salary, 1, 2 and 3 only. So we have to take the column rank equal to less than or equal to 3. So I'm going to run this one. So it will execute it if we are going to check what we have inside this data frame. So this salary df, we can use the show method in the same line also, but for our own understanding, I'm just executing the different line dot show. So I'm going to execute this one. So what we are getting, so employee ID, name, department ID, salary. Now we are getting only the top three highest salary. 95,000, 93,000, 90,000 only for this department 101. Same as for 102, 92,000, 89,000, 85,000. So for each department, we get the top three highest salary that we have already. But if you're looking this one, so in the output, what we are expecting, so we need to first column as department ID, second one is the employee ID, third one is name, and fourth one is salary. Then we need to rank. So for this one, what already we have get the result, so we need to just adjust their columns as per the required output. So we have already created this one highest salary. So what I'm going to do, just copy this one highest salary df. So highest salary df equal to maybe the same line what we are going to use. Suppose we have written here now, so in the same line what no need to write the extra line for this one. So again already we have written this one. So in the same line what we are going to do, dot select. So we need to just select the dot select first one what we need, department ID, because in the same line we can do in the same department ID comma we was the second column as employee ID, then what we need the third column as name, fourth column as salary, and then what we want, then we have the fourth column or fifth column as rank. So here in the same line what we are going to do, and dot show. So if I'm going to run this line, so now what we have get here, because we need to get the employee ID, department ID, then employee ID, then name and salary. So for this employee ID, we have get this three result that we have top three highest salary. Then for this 102 department, so we get this top three highest salary, and for the uh, department ID for 103. So this is and this type of question is commonly asked nowadays in the data engineering interview for the Pyspark. So this is the solution for this question. So in this video, that's all for this. If you like my way to solve the question, so please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks all, and I will post the next question in my next video. Thank you for all. Thanks all.